Barrett. Barrett and I are on our way to Chattanooga State, the STEM school at Chattanooga State, actually. And we're donating the resin printer, the Anycubic Photon Max 3.
Yeah.
And because it's just taking up too much space in my tiny shack. When I get the main cabin built and my shop built, then I can get big arse printers. So anyway, we found this STEM school. I have some ties to this school, Barrett. See that sculpture there by John Henry?
Yeah.
I was a project manager for an architecture firm that did all the layout. And I met John Henry, the sculptor, on that. I got in trouble one day because I asked him, what did I say? Ask him why his sculptures were similar, because he always uses that style. And he took that as an offense.
Yeah, I bet.
Oh God. We got the 3D printer in the back, and where's this place? But anyway, there's sculptures all over this canvas, and we did a site layout for all of them, and the landscaping stuff. And there's a goose on the road. But we got the Anycubic in the back. What does that say?
That's like an athletic building, I guess.
We got the wash station and the. I guess I better figure out where we're going before I do any more video.
Yep.
Hey, Tony.
Hey there.
Or should I say Dr. Tony?
Dr. Tony, Dr. D.
What do people call you?
Yeah. Dr. D is probably the
Dr.
easiest
D.
way. Yeah.
Tony Donan of the STEM school. Is it called just STEM school Chattanooga?
STEM school Chattanooga.
That's awesome. Well, I'm going to tell the story about this 3D printer off. I won't bore you with it. But basically, I bought it just 3 weeks ago, Barrett. It's really taking up a lot of space in my little tiny house, so I didn't want to send it back. I thought I'd do something with it, and then my first thought was STEM school.
Well, I love that. That's a great first thought. That's awesome.
I'm also, I have this thing where we're trying to promote the artisan philosophy. That's the name of my company, Artisan Construction. We're trying to promote mentoring and apprenticeships, and so I thought, I need to give this thing to a STEM school instead of sending it back. The only thing I ask is that you send me some photographs of the stuff you guys print.
Can do. Absolutely. Yeah, no, we're excited. We have a whole digital fabrication network in our school. Several teachers were working on micro-credentialing for basically earning badges for certain digital fabrication.
Is that the Fab Lab I read about?
Yeah, so we got a Fab Lab. We have a Fab Lab that has everything you can think of. Tinker Space, that is sort of like a scaled down version. And now we got this other thing called the Global Center for Digital Innovation. That is a 15,000 square foot facility with everything you can think.
Holy cow, 15,000 square feet.
Yeah. So we're...
Barrett actually went here.
Chattanooga State.
Okay.
And before he went to UTC, and I always thought it was an awesome school.
Yeah, fantastic. Chattanooga State's an amazing partner. And so that 15,000 square foot is a shared space that our kids can use it and Chattanooga State students can use it. So just the opportunities here.
Who do you share the space with?
Chattanooga State.
So this is actually a separate entity altogether.
Yeah, so the STEM school is a Hamilton County high school.
Okay.
So we're separate, just part in their space, but then the Global Center that has sort of this 15,000 square foot new Fab Lab area is a shared space, so our kids use it and Chat State students use it.
Well, that's really interesting.
Yeah.
That's awesome. If they need any help, I'm not a pro. It sounds like your guys are
we've got some
more
people,
knowledgeable.
Yeah, we've got some people. In fact, we've got students that what we do is with the micro-credentialing, they can earn something we call a master fabricator. And when they get that, they become an intern in the GCDI. And so they are well beyond my skill level as well. Just amazing things they can do.
Wow, I feel like I've left it in good hands.
I think you have. I think you have, no doubt.
What's this space?
We just call this the Commons, but it's kind of what we call our Tinker Space, where we have students in 9th and 10th grade come on in. This is where they do multiple projects, but we have some vinyl, desktop CNC, some laser cutters.
Oh, here we go.
Right.
The 3D printers over here, not resin based, just the PLA based. But yeah, this is This is just the small part.
Put it over there next to the
Oh yeah, we're just gonna put on one of these tables right now.
Oh, these are laser carvers, huh?
Those are desktop CNCs.
Oh, it's not laser.
And
It's
the laser is the Dremel right over there.
huh. Oh yeah, that's awesome. I used to have an old Hewlett Packard plotter. What is this? HP, yeah.
No, that's a vinyl.
Oh, it's a vinyl. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, I got you. These are the Pruses. Is that what are these? Yeah. This might be what I'm getting for the tiny shack.
This is very cool. Yeah, I got 3 folks that when they walk in and see this are gonna be like, hold on a second, where's that going? And they'll be like, guess what?
In your space.
In your space.
I had it vented in my little tiny house, right here. But you know, it wasn't really, the odor wasn't that bad. Like in this space, you probably won't even notice it.
Yeah, we've got a
Yeah.
I've got a meeting today with 5 folks, and 3 of the folks are going to be like, "Can I walk away without?" The other 2 are going to be like, "All right."
Yeah.
I mean,
It's definitely cool, but I got kind of spoiled with my filament printers, and I think I just want to go back to that until I get my bigger shop built.
yeah,
and
definitely the resin definitely take more
patience.
patience and just kind of more eye. Like it's just you gotta be more careful, right?
I mean,
People,
the only issues I had to tweak on my filament printer was just getting it to stick to the bed, right?
yeah. What kind of film printer did you have?
It was a solid doodle. No, this was like 10 years ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was like one of the first solid doodle.
Gotcha.
I even had, you had to build them back then. They didn't come assembled. So, but it was, I got it tweaked and I got it working. This is going to require a little more, someone who's used. I'm sure your instructors already have an idea what to do.
Yeah,
So
we've got in that global center with our structures, they have 4 resin printers right now. So,
oh, cool.
so
That's cool.
This will kind of fit right in. Now they don't have this type, but that's it's nice to have a variety of types because we want the kids to get used to learning different machines and not just like, oh, I only learn the Prusa, so that's the only 3D printing. That's not like we want them to be able to be like, I can learn any 3D printer. Right?
What's funny is they all have like their own personality and their own little tweaks.
Yeah.
Right. It's like this one. I didn't really think about the resin printers having to have a station, to cure the resin.
We appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thanks again for making me feel like I've done something.
Oh no, very cool.
Something worthwhile.
Looking forward to finding its home in our space and our kids being able to become experts and playing with it. It's gonna be very cool.
Thanks again,
All right,
Dr.
thank
D.
you. Thank you, and good luck with the YouTube channel.
Thank you. Thank you. They even have a little solar station there. It's pretty cool. That whole thing, I love this, that we're finally getting back to this a high school, right? So I don't know what happened, but I graduated in 1980, right? After that, there was a few years that seemed to be, pushing vocational and, STEM training at the high school level. And then it seems like over the past 30, for about 20, 30 years, it just got dropped, it got forgotten. And now there's a revival of it, which is cool. I'm just trying to help inspire other people to support vocational training in high school and STEM schools, at the high school level.
That's really neat.
We need more technically, we need to start teaching people more than, we need to offer that to students who, are looking beyond high school like I was. Anyway, we gotta go. We gotta go to the job, right, Barry?
Mm-hmm.